This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance Referral bonus. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Referral section. Here, you will find your unique referral ID and link. You can customize the commission rate, which is typically 20% by default, but can go up to 40% if you hold 500 BNB or more. Copy this link and share it with anyone you wish to invite to Binance. Once your friends register using your link and start trading, you'll begin earning commissions. These rewards are calculated in real time and transferred to your Binance account hourly. You can earn up to 40% commission on trading fees from both spot and futures markets. Your dashboard provides a clear overview of your referrals, their trading activity, and your accumulated commissions. To maximize your referral bonus, focus on attracting active traders. Sharing your link in crypto communities or creating educational content can boost engagement. You can also choose to share a portion of your commission, for example, 10%, with your referrals as a kickback, which can incentivize more sign-ups and trading activity. This creates a mutually beneficial system for both you and your invited users. It's crucial to understand the rules. New users must register through your specific link or ID. They cannot add it later. Binance offers different referral modes, like Referral Lite, which provides a one-time voucher up to $100 for both parties if the referred friend purchases over $50 in crypto within 14 days. Always check the latest terms for specific reward structures and distribution details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.